Demarco has released his first single, Mover, a sure summer shaker from his debut album, Melody. The artist teamed up with the subconscious boss Konshens on the Latin-infused track.
I'm not here to waste your time. No, it's gonna take some time, but me there patiently I wait in line. Love in the way how you wind back it up, pretty face how your shape combine.
Mover debuted at number 5 on the Reggae iTunes chart. Demarco, who signed to Akon's label in 2017, appearing on his single Predictable, plus Demarco's own Noala. Melody is set for release in October. Now, the duo Voicemail has dropped their first single, Still Here, from their upcoming project. The song, produced by Warrior Music, has gained traction in South America and Africa.
So we never did I go make it, no look where we are. So while you fight them, I fight them for no, so we still have life far. So rest in peace, honey. We still are stay real to the dream.
Craig spoke to Ephraim on the track, which speaks to Voicemail as the only group still standing in dancehall after 22 years.
Still there is a testimony to our consistency and loyalty to our fans and of course ourselves as Voicemail. You know, it's a track that is very personal to us because, you know, more time people will see me and I say, yo, a long time I don't hear something new, not knowing that, yo, new music is there, you know. But Voicemail is not only stapled on the local platform, we're also international. So
Voicemail, who was rumored to have broken up, spoke to the need to explore individuality while remaining loyal to the group.
We do not want to show any disloyalty to our fans just because we want to please our egos, you know what I mean? So what we had planned a couple of years ago, you know, me, Kevin, you know, Frankie Music, you know, we came up with an idea to say, yo, the evolution of Voicemail, that's where you'll have Kevin B and you'll have Craig with a Q. So that way we stay loyal and consistent to our mother brand, which is Voicemail, and we showcase what we want to showcase individually, you know, but the home is Voicemail.
The new album is yet to be named. Now, Disney lovers went into a frenzy over the weekend as this photo surfaced of Halle Bailey and Jonah Howard King, who will play Prince Eric in what appears to be rehearsals. Now, fans are highly anticipating the release of The Little Mermaid, which will feature Halle Bailey from the sister duo Chloe and Halle in the iconic role of Ariel. Halle, being cast as Ariel, was a magical moment as she made history as the first black actress to play Ariel. This is Halle's feature film debut. The remake of the 1989 classic Disney film The Little Mermaid is scheduled for release this summer. I'm Daedrin reporting for ePrime.